Have you ever wondered how you can buy a flip if you don't have all of the money saved up to do so? Well, today I'm going to talk about 3 ways that you may not know about that you can find money to fund your flip. My name is Amber Miller, and for the past 12 years, I have been flipping houses. I am a renovator, designer, real estate agent, and I've done over 150 projects. And I am here sharing knowledge and experience with you so that you don't have to learn the lessons and mistakes that I have made along the way. I want to shorten your learning curve. So today we're going to talk about 3 ways you can fund a flip. So a lot of people tell me that they wish they could get started flipping, but they don't have all the money saved up. And I was in that very same position back when I was starting in 2007 and 2008. So I'm going to share 3 ways that I know now exist to help fund a flip that didn't exist back then. Number 1 is a hard money lender. So you might have heard this term before, or maybe you're not quite so familiar with it, but a hard money lender is someone who borrows money for fix and flip projects, and they charge a little bit higher interest rate and maybe a little bit more on the fees, but they can close quickly. They allow for the house to be the collateral, and they don't really have a traditional underwriting or approval process. So they're not going to be a good fit for everybody, but if you find a property at a low enough purchase price that needs just the right amount of repairs, they can be a great partner for you. And you can do research and find any available hard money lenders in your area by typing in hard money lenders Minneapolis, Minnesota, or hard money lenders, Denver, Colorado, and you'll find some great resources where you can research their sites and then check out their programs and see if any of them would be a good fit for you. Number 2 is going to be banks, but not traditional mortgage lending type of banks. These are going to be smaller banks who have programs that are specially designed for fix and flip projects. So they traditionally fall under more of a commercial type of lending. They're not going to be your big, well-known monster-sized banks. They're going to be your local banks, local credit unions. So if you can make a contact there, you can start to find out what their process is as far as approval and verification. So that's another route you can check out. Number 3 is going to be private money. So private money is a different type of loan. It may be a friend or a family member. It might be somebody who has retirement money that they've put into something called a self-directed IRA. If they have a traditional qualified plan, they can move money into what's called a self-directed IRA, and then they can invest in real estate. There's a lot of rules around that, so you're going to want to make sure you check all of those out in case somebody has funds that they want to invest with you. You want to make sure that you're following the rules and structuring the deal properly so that there's no penalties to that investor. So I hope this information helps. If you're looking for a couple more ways to find out about how to fund your flip, I've included underneath this video the link to my guide, 5 ways to fund your flip. And of course, there's many more than that even, but those are just the ones we are talking about today and in that guide. So I'd love for you to download that. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe. We're going to be putting out weekly videos, and we love to be able to share the tips and strategies that have made our flipping business successful over the past 12 years, and I'd love to see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.